I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's daily dark pool whisper of the day for Wednesday, November 10th. All right, let's start with the SPY. No new large dark pool levels. However, we are watching this previous one right here, 468.53. That's why I'm only going to be bullish above 468.53 key level. Just check out where it is right now. The SPY on the daily chart, stuck in between the 4 and the 8. We've been riding on this pink moving average, the 4 EMA, for quite a while. Something's changing, right? So usually the first dip is down to the 8 EMA. We should bounce there if we do go there today. But if we don't hold that, this is the next big trade to 460 area. All right, that's why you'll see this trade set up, right? See that 15 EMA target? Yeah, it's going to move. It's a moving average, so wherever it is, it's going to bounce if we break below the 8 EMA. So that's really the trade set up for the SPY that I'm looking at. And of course, you know, bullish above 468.53. All right, let's head on over to the IWM. The Russell, we did get a new dark pool level, 242.39. We are below that. I am watching this one right here, this 238.51. This is a biggie. All right, it's recent. We're still above it. Only if we close below that will we turn bearish. Okay, that is the key level. But for day trading purposes, we are going to be bullish above 242 and bear below 239.50. All right, let's head on over to the QQQs. We did get another level, you know, decent size, 2.2 million at 398.03. All right, so we are below that. And again, the Qs are kind of stuck in the same situation as the SPY, in between the 4 and the 8. If we lose the 8, yeah, we're headed to the 15 EMA. Bear below 392 today and bull above 396.50. Let's head on over to the futures. All right, bullish above 46.80, bear below 46.58. We're in between that for the E-minis. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 16,275, bear below 16,100. Same thing, we're in between those. Let's head on over to oil. Lots of news. I know the White House has been trying to control the price of oil. Lots of headlines yesterday. We're really just following the prints on this one. It has been, you know, lots of kind of head fakes on this, which happened with oil before a big move. So stay tuned. But today, bullish above 84.06. Bear below 83.50. It is Wednesday, so we will have some numbers out on that sector. Let's head on over to gold. Another one with lots of head fakes. Bullish above 18.30.50. Bear below 18.24. We are below the pivot. What is Bitcoin doing today? Well, we are pretty weak today on Bitcoin. Below the pivot, it's trying to hover on this S1 Camarilla level. Lots of support here. Really key to watch if you're trading Bitcoin today. Bullish above 68,000 and bear below 66,500. All right, now let's head on over to the individual stocks. Let's start with Ford. You don't normally see this one on the Whisper, but I like the setup in both directions today for a day trade. Bull above 2050. We've tested that quite a few times in the past couple days. Bear below 1980 for a retrace back down to that 8 EMA. All right, 20 is a pretty big level. Now we did have, you know, massive dark pool prints all the way down here. But is it getting tired? 20's really big, so watch that. Let's head on over to Tesla. Below all recent dark pool right now. Yeah, it had a really big, I don't know if that was a splash or what, but these are the prints right here, you guys. 1049, 1050, 1044, and currently we are below. If we close below these levels, yeah, it's It's going to be bearish. Today we're going to be bearish below 1,000. You can see there's a nice move down to the 30 simple moving average. We're going to be bullish above 1040 for a retrace back up to resistance. But this is a massive dark pool area. So watch those levels if you are a Tesla trader. All right, let's head on over to Nvidia. Nvidia bullish above 311.25 and bear below 295. Yeah, we already went down and came down to that 292.50. All right, pretty big level. That's another level to go short, by the way. Yeah, 292.50 if we break below that, as well as 295. Sometimes it happens real fast. So it's always good to know your next big level. All right, Purple Innovation. Looks like they're not having a good morning. We're going to be bullish above 14 for a retrace. Okay, retrace trade most likely to that peanut butter and jelly area. We also have the 4 EMA there. And we're going to be bearish below 12. Right, for a bigger move to the downside. If we look at the weekly chart, you can see it's below that 200. It might try to hammer. That's what they'd like to do. We'll see. If not, there's going to be a lot more downside to it. We'll see. Let's head on over to Apple. What's Apple up to? All right, Apple trying to push back up. There's a lot of resistance short term on Apple. We're going to be bear below 150. That is a major level. Bullish only above 150, 120. Yeah, it might push up here and then come up to the top of this resistance trend line. Again, these are day trades. AMD. Yeah, you know, is this a hanging man? Looks hanging manish. We'll see. Really depends on today's candle. We're going to be bullish above 150, major level, bear below 145. Yeah, if we don't hold on to the 4 EMA, we will most likely come down to the 8 EMA. NEO. NEO was a great short yesterday on the Whispers. Today, only bullish above 42. The bear trade looks great. Okay, much easier. If we break below this 161 EMA, we're going to be bearish below 39.50. All right, we got LCID up next. Lucid. Bullish above 45.50, bear below 42.50. The coast is clear to the downside. So there's lots of pockets to the downside today on a lot of these charts. American Airlines. Yeah, has been really trying to push this area a couple days now. Bullish above 22.20, bear below 21.80. And last but not least, Roblox. All right, our RBLX. I like this trade because there's a lot of room on both sides. We're going to be bullish above 108.50 and bear below 103.50. I went below that peanut butter level right here. Yeah, it's going to have support, but if it breaks below that, we'll most likely come on down. All right, if you don't know what peanut butter is, it's the 200 exponential moving average. On a 5 and 15-minute chart, I use it. All right, there you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, November 10th. Until next time, happy trading. Join me today. I'll be in the training pit teaching my secrets to swing trading around the dark pool. Go to www.thedarkpools.com and join me. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.